With a 2-inch wide piece of masking tape, just tear it in half down the middle, making these peaks and valleys mimicking the mountain range. And then the bottom, we're going to use it for the valley. And then just go ahead and create some diagonal shapes for mountains, peaks, however you want to do it, hills, whatever. And then lighten it up with your eraser. Come in with, I chose blues, this is like an indigo, and we're going to blend it down, really concentrating it darker at the top. And we're going to use that masking tape to help us concentrate the color right there. But right now we're just going to blend, making sure that our lines, that we don't cross our lines with our colors, and we're going to build the layers. Adding darker color at the top, more concentrated pigment, but still making sure that it blends down to the bottom. Here we have like a cobalt blue, and again, we're just using this for our second layer, making it darker on the top, the same technique, just with a different color. Really want to work wet on wet with these different layers, because that's how you get these cool funky bleeds and blends and cauliflower blooms, and just the real interesting part of watercolor. Here I'm wetting it first, trying to see if it blends any different. You can do it however you want. Wetting it with the color, wetting it with water first, and then blending it all together. Just have fun with it. Try different things, but still keeping the same technique of making it darker on the edge and blending it down to the bottom. Then we're going to come in with our fan brush. This is a horsehair fan brush, but a fan brush really helps to get these cool, just kind of like hill type layers for the valley. We're going to start with a real light green. We're going to move to a medium green, adding on this volume and dimension. Then we're going to come in with a darker green, and we're just going to add that to the peaks, just the very top of those mounds we've created. Making sure to leave some white space in there for our flowers, just pops of spring color. The wildflowers are just starting to bloom, and we just want to hint a peak of something. Pine trees are always going to be a good placement in mountain scenes. This is a sepia, kind of a brown, deep brown color. A little darker color here would have popped and really put the trees in the forefront of the mountains. This is our last tree, kind of our biggest, most substantial, and we're just like dabbing and dragging, stippling, just making tree branch type shapes. peeling the tape away, we're going to reveal those dark edges and the bottom of the valley. And I just thought this tape trick was so cool, and it just helps to make a natural looking sky and valley floor bottom. I just thought it was such a cool trick. I wanted to show you how quick and easy this mountain scene could be. So thanks for joining me, guys. See you next time.